How to change and customize app icons on iPhone. First, let's return back to your home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we tap on the Edit button, then tap on Customize. Down here are various options that you can choose to customize your home screen icons. Now, this is the default settings. You can choose a dark color, a clear color, or tinted. With the tinted options, you can change the colors. So here we can change the icons to various different colors by dragging on the color bar. At the bottom here are some preset color that you can change it to, or you can choose using the color picker here. At the bottom, you can select light, dark, or auto. Now at the top corner here, the size button, you can make your icons larger or smaller. Now this will allow you to remove the text when the icons are larger, or displaying the text when the icons are smaller. And that is how you can change it. Now we'll set it back to the default. If you want to customize an app icon just for one single app, before the settings will apply to all the icons on your home screen. So in here, let's say I want to change the icons for Roblox. I can do that by simply go to a website and download a different icon. So if you open up your web browser and go to a website like flat icon, if we open it, and in here, say we want to look for a Roblox icon. So I type in Roblox and then search. Here, there are different icons available for me to use. So I can download one. So let's say I want to download this one here. So I download a PNG file. And it is now downloading. So tap on the download button. It is now download. So tap on the drop down arrow here. And then we're going to download it. So tap on download. So here it is. It is download. So tapping on that will show you the icon. Okay, so here it is. Now tap on the share button, and then we tap on save image. This will allow you to save the image to your library. So in photo library, you can check it. Okay, so it is here now. Next, we're going to go to your home screen and we're going to create a shortcut. So move to your app library and look for shortcut. Here it is. So once you open up shortcut, tap on the add button, and then we go down and select open app. Next, we tap on open app here and select an app. So we're going to scroll down and select the apps that we want to change the icon, so Roblox. Here, tap on the drop down and then tap on add to home screen. Next, select image tab and then choose photo. Tap on choose photo and select your new icon from your library and then tap on choose. Okay, so after that, now we're just waiting for the image to update. So I'm just going to tap on that again just to make sure. No, it's not showing correctly on this one here. We'll see if later it's going to change. Here at the top, we're going to change the name. So I'll name it Roblox. And then tap on add. And now it should be added to the home screen. So there it is right here. As you can see, we have now successfully changed the icon. There will be one here is the original icon. It will create a new one with a shortcut. So you tap on that, will launch Roblox. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.